Hello loves, it's me, Jenna. Today in this video, I wanted you guys to follow along with me as I transform my spare bedroom because it was looking very sad, dark, and depressing in there. Like very bachelor pad status. No design whatsoever, no color aesthetic, no aesthetic at all. And for a girl to be living like that, it's like, us girls, we like nice things, we like pretty things. And so I just could not live my life like that anymore. And I needed my cute little dogs to be surrounded by beauty too. So I went ahead and transformed my spare bedroom all by myself, pretty much. The only thing I had somebody else do is build my daybed and add the curtain rods. Other than that, everything was done by me, designed by me, inspired by Pinterest. So continue watching to see how I transform my sad little bachelor room into a cute, girly, goddess, feminine bedroom. So this was as good as this room ever got. But the way that I really wanted it to look was more colorful, with colors like emerald green and blush pink and velvet textures, and I definitely wanted a vanity mirror like this one. So I started off by painting two of the walls this beautiful pink color. It's more on the whiter side. I made the mistake in the past of painting my walls like too pink and it was just way too bright. I ended up hating it, so this time I definitely wanted to be almost a whitish pink, and I love the way that it turned out. I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close. Oh my god, it is so pretty! And then I chose this beautiful emerald green paint to do an accent wall and bring in some contrast into this room. I literally painted just one small tiny room, and P.S. look at all that oil. OMG, I didn't know that you had to like shake up the paint or whatever, but it worked out. And here I am just painting it. I am just like feeling so happy. I love this color because it reminds me of like beautiful oceans of Ibiza. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like a deep, beautiful mermaid-filled ocean. This wall has a door on it, so I painted the wall part, but I didn't like it, so I changed it to white so I could fix my mistake. I was like, we're changing this to pink, and then I was like, let's paint the door pink too, and it looks way better. I am so happy that I chose pink and didn't leave it like bare or paint it emerald green. I just wanted to feel super bright in here, and the pink was just the perfect solution. Now for the other side of the room, I didn't do any paint at all, which seriously was amazing because painting is very time consuming. So I had some guys come to my place and add these curtain rods that I found off of Amazon, and I added some curtains to the walls and my windows and then above my closet door. I just think this is such a cool idea that I saw on my Pinterest board. It brings in my beautiful blush favorite color into the room and the soft, luxurious texture of velvet, and it also blocks off sound, which is amazing if you live like in an apartment, you know, with like thin walls. It's perfect so that you can like make all the noise you want, listen to loud music, and this is the last one. I just think it looks so amazing over this mirrored closet door. Watch out, Kiwi. Ooh, you're gonna get your booty ran over. He's so silly. He's a silly little ditzy boy. So now I'm just getting rid of everything. I'm taking all this stuff out. Literally, this room was just a place I just stored junk in. Pretty much, that's what it was. But now I'm just getting rid of everything so that I could bring in a beautiful new rug. But before I do that, I need to give Versace a kiss, of course, and then I need to vacuum and make sure the floor is nice and clean before I bring in this rug. And can we talk about what I'm wearing? I just wanted to be like super comfy, so I wore my favoriteest pajamas that have like unicorns on it, and I did this all by myself. Look at me, I'm just so strong. Just kidding, this couch is pretty light. I just, lifted up the couch so that I could put the rug down, and once again, Kiwi's little ditzy boy doesn't know that I'm putting a carpet down. Yay, the room is like pretty much done. Just about. Now that I have finished painting the walls and putting up the curtains, I am now ready to add the finishing touches, which is bringing in the new things that I purchased and decorating the room and making it feel super comfy. I can't wait to show you guys. It looks so pink and just even better in person. If you guys could only come in here and see for yourself. Now I want to take a moment to talk about this gorgeous female body vase that holds shy flowers, because to me this is a symbol of being in my femininity, which is, really getting in touch with how I'm feeling inside my body and in my intuition, and asking myself, how does this make me feel, and feeling my way through everything in my life. Make sure to check the description box down below to find out more details about this gorgeous female body vase. I love this mirror because it is super wide and it just makes the room look a lot bigger, and I love the fact that it has a gold trim on it. I wanted an Impressions vanity mirror that was like this, except they don't make it in gold, so I just went ahead and purchased this off of like Overstock or Wayfair, I don't remember which one, and then I bought these lights off of Amazon and just stuck them on there, and it looks like I have an Impressions vanity mirror, even though it's not Impressions vanity. Ooh, rainbows. On my windows, I added these cute little crystals that when the sun shines in here, it reflects off the crystals, and my room is kissed with little rainbow sparkles all throughout the room, and sometimes they get on me, and I love how it looks. There must be some kind of love. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you In order to grow into the woman I desire to be, I really wanted to give myself a safe space where I could become the best version of myself. I didn't want to have my room be mediocre anymore, and I really wanted to feel proud of this. I'm going to share a little secret with you. I love to do manifesting work and pulling oracle cards for myself. I have a ton of oracle decks, and it's crazy because while filming this video I just wanted to get some footage of me shuffling cards, and then this one popped up, and what this card means is about retreating to a safe place every now and then to cleanse and recharge your energy, and that's exactly what this room was designed for. And not only that, I also wanted to look back and be like, oh my god, this is where I built my business. And I also wanted it to be like a girl cave, so I made my childhood dreams come true of having an at-home theater system sort of vibe. And here's me just watching a random video, and I'm kind of cracking up because I totally forgot that I filmed my dogs dressed up in Halloween costumes, Kiwi as a genie, and Versace as a boo.
Hey, you're the most precious little genie.
Well, that was a little bit of a diary for us, more than just a spare bedroom makeover, from sad bachelor room to gorgeous, bright, feminine goddess room. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Versace says thank you as well, and so does Kiwi. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and click subscribe, and just know that your home is a reflection of who you are, so let it shine just like you. Until the next one, see you then. Versace, thank you for coming and being a part of my outro. You just wanted to be up here on the table. You're so silly.
Are you a cat now or what? Are you not a dog anymore? Are you a cat? I love you. Bye.